This is a trial period for the family, so we're going to go away for about 7 days and see how we survive on the liveaboard. Might see who kills who first, see who gets thrown overboard or who jumps overboard to escape.
Welcome to Sailing Serenade, Episode 6. This 7-day trip had been planned for over a month, and of course the weather decided to turn nasty on us the day we set off. We anchored under the shelter of North Head in Sydney Harbour's Quarantine Bay from winds around 30 to 40 knots coming from the south. We planned to sail from Port Jackson to Broken Bay, a short and easy sail 25 nautical miles up north. The next morning was overcast and the seas were slightly choppy, but the wind had dropped and it still came from the south, which made it perfect for us. The girls had spotted a dolphin or two and got very excited. I cannot wait until they see a whole pod of dolphins swimming at the bow of Serenade. Stephanie's still excited about the sighting.
Where are they? Well,
Broken Bay is made up or surrounded by 4 national parks: Murra National Park, Barowra Valley National Park, Brisbane Water National Park, and the largest of them, Ku-ring-gai Chase National Park. The 4 combined have a total of more than 421 square kilometres. We motored down the river nearly to its end and came across this romantic spot. I'm so glad that our forefathers realised the beauty of this area and didn't try to develop it. It was so tranquil until the rev heads came to town. The girls spent most of their time in that tender while we were there. Apart from burning up fuel, water suddenly became an issue and I had to start rationing and limit shower usage. Wouldn't you believe it? The whole time we were there, it was overcast with a few showers. Now on our trip home, blue skies. The winds were just shy of 7 knots, coming from the south. That meant we had to beat into the wind. We were getting nowhere, but that was going to change. The forecast was 20 to 30 knots, straight from the south. I can see there's going to be some lessons on how to trim the sails. If you like the video, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comments are welcome. And of course, thanks for watching.